Let's see what's in there.
Oh, we gotta take this.
You let brother do this. Okay, pull the paper. Pull the paper. Okay. Let's see.
What?
What is that? Oh my! It's a minion. It's a hooded towel wrap with the minions on it. What else we got? What's that, Coda?
Okay.
Take a look. What is it?
What? A dog.
A car, not just a tractor. Look. It's a flashlight. Watch. Squeeze the handle. It's a flashlight. Look over here. Look over here. Cool.
¿Es todo?
Es todo.